We got an RV for just $39 a night, but what does living in an RV looks like? Because the Instagram version is all mountains, lake and beautiful campsites, but there is a whole other side of RV life that you don't see.
यहाँ पे महंगा है तो फिर हम नहीं भरवाते, हम फिर बैंक में भरवाते हैं। ये करेगा ये वाला काम, सीवर का काम। This national park is worth visiting.
Welcome back to Smruti with GK. If you are new here, we are on a 6-day RV road trip from Calgary to Vancouver and today is day 2. If you have not watched the previous vlog, go check it out first to see how we started this adventure and how we ended up here. So we woke up at Tunnel Mountain Village campground. You already know from the previous vlog how we managed to get this campsite. Mushkil tha thoda. But waking up in an RV with views like this already makes you forget that you are living in such a small bedroom space.
गौरव ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए एक टाइप ऑफ ऑमलेट बना रहा है जो उसने रील से सीखी थी। सो लेट्स सी कैसे बना रहे हैं और मैं भी आज उसे सीखने वाली हूँ। यस गौरव।
तो पहले मैंने बटर को बाउल के बेस पे लगा दिया सो दैट ये स्टिकी ना हो एंड इसमें मैं 2 eggs डालूंगा, इसमें सॉल्ट एंड पेपर डाल के देन आई पुट इट इन माइक्रोवेव एंड सी कितना फ्लफी है। सो मैं इसे माइक्रोवेव में अराउंड 1.5 minute कुक करूंगा एंड देन लेट्स सी द रिजल्ट।
Toasting the bread on a kadhai. And we got this bread from Costco. This is sunflower flax bread. RV में भी हम healthy options prefer करते हैं guys.
And after 2 minutes, finally the eggs are ready. Look how fluffy they turned out. Honestly, such a quick breakfast hack. Then I made some avocado toast using the guacamole we picked from Costco, which you might remember from our previous vlog. We sat in the RV's living space and had our breakfast. This is my favorite kind of brunch. What more do you need? Good food, mountains and views like this.
Egg is next level. बहुत ही बढ़िया बना है. Ready in 2 minutes. RV trip essential recipe. So guys, now we have wrapped up everything. As well as our RV, and we will be leaving this campsite soon because it's time to check out. So we have plans for the day. I'll show you along. Gaurav is wrapping up the RV. This extendable part is squeezing in. So now we are wrapping up the bedroom side of the RV. देख रहे हो अंदर जा रहा है ये चीज, ये extendable part. गाइस अब हम निकल पड़े हैं हमारी नेक्स्ट स्टॉप की तरफ एंड हमारा आज प्लान है थोड़ा बहुत यहाँ पे एक्सप्लोर करने का। वी आर थिंकिंग टू गो टू योहो नेशनल पार्क, सो लेट्स गो। ये स्टे हमारी बहुत अच्छी रही एंड वी स्पेंट 1 night वेरी वेल। द कैंप साइट इज ऑल्सो वेरी क्लीन, वेरी नाइस एंड विद द व्यू ऑफ माउंटेन, तो मज़ा आया। ओके तो अभी हम यहाँ पे क्लीनिंग एंड डंपिंग करने आए हैं। बस अभी हमने अपना जो सीवर आउटलेट कनेक्शन है वो ऐसी जगह पे लगाया है जहाँ से हम डायरेक्टली सीवेज अपना ट्रांसफर कर सकते हैं। ओके दैट वन इज द सीवर आउटलेट कनेक्शन एंड देन यू सी दिस राउंड थिंग. This is where we are going to transfer the sewage from here to here. So you have to park the car in the right way so that aligns with each other. So Gaurav is here. Gaurav, say hi to my audience. He's here. ये करेगा ये वाला काम, सीवर का काम. मैं बस लोगों को दिखाऊंगी कि कैसे हो रहा है. मेरे से नहीं होएगा ये काम. So currently we are dumping the black water. So there is this concept, black water and grey water. So this black water is the waste from the washroom and then grey water will be the waste from the general like kitchen, sink, वो वाला waste होएगा.
गाइस कैनाडा ड्रीम में हमें ये पाइप एक्सटेंशन दी थी, उससे हम फ्रेश वाटर हमारे आरवी में रिफिल कर रहे हैं सो दैट नेक्स्ट स्टॉप पे हमें कोई इशू ना हो।
तो यहाँ पे ये valve है. We have to close it once he says me like he's done filling the water. So our water filling is successful. वैसे ये ग्रे वाटर, ब्लैक वाटर, सीवेज, वाटर फिलिंग बहुत क्लीन काम था. ऐसा मेरे को लगा कि बहुत स्मेली होएगा या कुछ, बट नो, everything was so clean. Maybe I can do it next time. Okay, time to head towards our next site.
We thought we would quickly explore Banff Market and then head out, but while exploring, we realized parking this big RV in Banff was going to be a challenge. You need quite a bit of space for an RV like this. So we headed to a nearby viewpoint where we could find a bigger parking spot, parked the RV, I got ready, and then we went to explore this beautiful falls in Banff. We made a quick stop at Bow Falls and luckily the weather is perfect. This is the Bow Falls lookout, and since Banff is slightly off our route and you know that we have to drop our RV in Vancouver, so we want to cover as much as distance as possible and get close to BC.
So after seeing the Bow Falls viewpoint, we are heading to our next destination.
Now we are heading towards our next stop, and honestly the views while driving through Banff are just so beautiful. The mountains, the trees, everything feels unreal. I genuinely feel so blessed to be here, but I think we are starting to run out of energy. So we definitely need a coffee break.
So we are going towards Lake Louise because we want to have coffee so bad. And while we are on a road trip, the roads are so smooth, so beautiful. इतनी अच्छी व्यूज आ रही हैं हमें रास्ते में. जब मैं इंडिया में थी तो आई वाज लाइक कि मैं देखती थी ये सारे ट्रिप्स, आरवी ट्रिप्स एंड ऑल, तो आज ये सारा कुछ सक्सेसफुल हो रहा है. ये हमारी सेकंड ट्रिप है बाय द वे, बट ये हम डिफरेंट रूट कवर कर रहे हैं. आई डोंट थिंक कि इंडिया में अभी ये चीज़ इतनी कॉमन है कि तुम ऐसे बड़ी सी आरवी लेके तुम जा रहे हो पहाड़ों में. तो यहाँ पे लेकिन ये चीज़ बहुत कॉमन है एंड वी आर एंजॉयिंग द रोड. Okay guys, so quick gasoline stop. We have stopped at Lake Louise. Gaurav is filling out the gas. I'll show you. It's a big car actually to park and fill out the gas. यहाँ पे महंगा है तो फिर हम नहीं भरवाते, हम फिर बैंक में भरवाते हैं.
पीछे चली जाएंगे,
फिर हम आगे चलेंगे, योहो के पास भरवाएंगे.
बीसी है वहाँ तो.
ओहो गाइस, हमें लग रहा था हम अल्बर्टा हैं तो तेल सस्ती होएगी तो हम यहाँ पे भरवाने आ गए, लेकिन पीछे बैंक में तेल सस्ती थी. I'm in front of the Trailhead Cafe. So we loved the coffee last time from here, so that's why we are back at this cafe to get our coffee for today. So I ordered the caramel brulee like last time and also a vanilla latte. So guys, this is our stop at Field in Yoho National Park. So yes, we have entered Yoho National Park. This is the first time we are taking the route, and oh my god, this place is like so beautiful that this national park is worth visiting. Like the views when driving, they are so lovely. And I'll show you the town. This is a small, like very small town actually. So you can see the mountains. Say hi to Gaurav.
This is a tiny miny community right in the middle of Yoho National Park, and guys, when I check kara, it has only 150 permanent residents, so it feels incredibly peaceful here.
So we have arrived at Emerald Lake in Yoho National Park, and also we got ready so that we can explore and get beautiful pictures clicked. So we have arrived at Emerald Lake in Yoho National Park, and this lake is just as its name. The color of water is just like emerald.
Okay, so one quick fact about Yoho National Park, the name Yoho comes from a Cree expression of awe, which honestly makes so much sense once you see this place. And Yoho National Park is also home to some incredible natural wonders. वो मैं आपको next vlog में दिखाऊंगी. So we are going to explore more of the park and show you all the beautiful stops we made along the way. So definitely stay tuned. And मैंने बिल्कुल imagine नहीं करा था कि ये trip इतना सुंदर होएगा और इतनी सुंदर सुंदर चीजें हमें देखने को मिलेंगी. We'll see you in our next vlog. Do not forget to like and subscribe our channel. Bye.